Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Today we're going to be continuing our R2-D2 build with issue 4. We have our part set here, so let's get started. Alright, these are the parts that we've received for this particular issue. Looks like we've got another small one here. We have a battery box, a leg pivot cover, and a right ankle plate. You'll also need the leg assembly and the LED assembly from the previous issues. To begin, we'll take the leg assembly and the leg pivot cover. You'll want to align the pieces just like so. You can see you've got the little catches, the little hooks here, and they'll go in right in those places. You slide it in, just like so, and then twist it so that it locks in place. Nice and neat. Next up, you'll want to take the right ankle plate. You've got the 2 pins here. They're going to go right into those 2 holes, just like so. Now this is a test fit and will not be permanently assembled in this issue. But there we go. This leg is coming along nicely. Next up, you've got your battery box, and you'll want to install 3 AAA batteries. And close up the cover, screw it back in place. Make sure your battery pack is in the off position. Take your test circuit board and your lead. This is a keyed lead, and it'll go into the power plug. Be careful not to snap or break anything, and just slide it in until it clicks in place. Now we can test our LEDs by turning on the battery pack. And now, look at that. Ah, yes. How awesome is that? And there you have it. Issue 4 is complete. Not too much this issue, and I'm really looking forward to permanently assembling all of these items. But in the meantime, I got a little something to play with. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little notification bell so you always know when we upload a new one. We'll see you next week.